Half subtractor, I can design like one box. Okay, this is half subtractor, and I can give two inputs, which are A and B, and I will get two things as my output. One is difference, another one is borrow. So difference means I am doing A minus B. If I want to analyze this half subtractor using truth table, so what I will do, I will write two variables, which is A, B, and my outputs are difference and borrow. And if I write all possible combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And then if I calculate the difference like 0 minus 0, the difference is 0 and borrow is 0. And if I calculate 0 minus 1, then the difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. And if I calculate 1 minus 0, the difference is 1, but in this case borrow is 0. If I calculate 1 minus 1, difference is 0 and my borrow is 0. Now if I want to write my expression in the form of SOP, I need to concentrate on these ones. If I concentrate on these one, for this first one, my input combinations for A and B are 0 and 1. So this is basically A bar B. And for the second one, if I consider the combinations of A and B are 1, 0. This is basically A B bar. And I can write this one as A XOR B. If I write in POS form, I need to concentrate on these zeros. So if I concentrate on these zeros, like for this first 0, my combination is 0, 0. That is A plus B. Okay. And for the second one, my combinations are 1, 1. That is A bar plus B bar. If you solve it by opening this bracket, you will end up with this the same thing. So in this way, what I did, I have equation for difference. Now I want expression for borrow in the form of SOP. I need to concentrate on this one, and if I concentrate, it is A bar B. And for POS, I need to concentrate on all zeros. And if I concentrate on all zeros, this is A plus B, A bar plus B dot A bar plus B bar. And these are the expressions for borrow. So basically what I need to do, I need to realize my box, this half adder box, with these expressions. So for discussion, we will take consideration of this one, A XOR B, as my difference equation, and A bar B when I am doing A minus B operation, okay, as a borrow one. So basically you need to design a circuit where difference is your A XOR B and borrow is your A bar B. So if you don't have any restriction, you can design this circuit by like this A XOR B, you can take that XOR gate and give A and B as your input, and at the output side you will get A XOR B, which is nothing but your difference. And if you want to design this borrow, basically you need to use one AND gate, and in that AND gate you need to give B directly as one input, and you need to take complement of A. For complement you can use NOT gate, and you will get A bar B, which is nothing but your borrow. So in this way also I can design that box, half subtractor box, if I don't have any restrictions. If suppose you want to design this box using only NAND gate or NOR gate, so what will be your procedure? We will discuss those things. So first, what we will discuss is implementation of half subtractor using NAND gates only. So for implementation of half subtractor using NAND gate, so first thing is you need to design a circuit for A XOR B. And for designing a circuit for A XOR B, you already know that in this way you need to design that one. So basically A and B are your two input, and here you are getting A XOR B. So this one is basically difference. Now you need to add some more gates, some more NAND gates to this one, so that you can realize the borrow one, which is nothing but A bar B. So if I analyze this thing in a very careful manner, this is basically A B bar, and here I am getting B, and this is B dot A B bar, whole bar. If I solve this one using Boolean algebra, this is nothing but b dot a b bar whole bar, and if I apply De Morgan's theorem, this is like this, and if I do like opening of this bracket, this is basically b dot a bar, okay, plus b dot b bar, and b dot b bar is 0, so I am getting b dot a bar. So what I want a bar b, and I am getting a bar b, but in the form of complemented one at this point. So what I need to do, I need to take one wire from here, and I need to connect one NOT gate by using my NAND gate. So if I connect one NOT gate, this bar will become removed one, and I will get a bar dot b, which is nothing but my borrow. In this way, you can design your half subtractor using NAND gate. Now, if you want to design this half subtractor using NOR gates only, then again you know that the implementation for A XOR B. Okay, A XOR B you already know that if you design your circuit in this way, in the same way, here it is A and B. If you are designing this way, here you are getting A XOR B. So if you are taking one NOR gate as a NOT gate, you will get A XOR B. So with this, I am getting the difference one. So we will just analyze all the points. Like here I am getting A plus B bar, and here it is A, so I am getting A plus B bar whole bar, and here it is B, so I am getting B plus A plus B bar whole bar. Okay, so if I take consideration of this one, and if I solve it further, like this is basically your A plus B whole bar. So if I apply De Morgan's to the internal A plus B bar, this is basically A plus A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay, and if I apply again De Morgan's theorem for the uh, overall bar, this will become A bar dot B bar whole bar. Again A bar dot A bar bar plus B bar bar. Again it is A bar dot A plus B. If I solve it further, this is A bar dot A, which is 0, and it will become A bar dot B. Okay, and I want borrow as A bar B, and I'm getting like by solving this thing, I'm getting A bar B. So I need not to add anything, and just I need to connect one wire at that point, and this is my A bar B, and this is my borrow one. So in this way, like I can design half subtractor circuit using NOR gate only. And by like analyzing this NAND gate and NOR gate implementation, I can see that this NOR gate implementation I am doing with a minimum number of gates, which is 5 gates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this NAND gate implementation also I am doing with 5 gates. So with this, you can write like if you want to design this with NAND gate only, you need to have use of 5 gates. And if you want to design NOR with the help of NOR gate only, then also you need 5 gates. So in case of a half adder also, you need 5 gates. If you are implementing with either NAND or NOR, the same case is there for half subtractor. If you want to implement with NAND or NOR, you need 5 gates for their implementation. So with this, half adder and half subtractor is I think clear to you.